So I got this new air compressor. It's the EMAX Hulk. It's a 10-gallon, 2 horsepower with a noise rating of 41 decibels. It's supposed to be a lot quieter than your typical air compressor, and I'm going to do a quick demo to show you how much quieter it is. And most of the noise reduction is done by their air filters and these pipes that attach to the air filters. So I'm going to also show you how much louder it gets when you remove those pipes and those air filters. The pressure is at 0. It's a lot quieter than my other air compressor. You can actually talk, you can hear yourself, you don't need ear protection. The phone is showing 82 decibels, but I think that's because it's an app, it's not a proper decibel reader. And let me show you what happens if you remove the pipes. One, that's 2. I'm going to remove the air filters. So it's quite a bit louder without the air filters and those pipes. I would say it's like your normal, typical air compressor.